What's up? It's your boy Cool Pumpkin VR, and we're back with another video, and we're back in Hyperdash again. It was... Oh, great. We can go. I killed the level 73. Bro, got him, yeah! That's what my parents do. Pale's going pretty fast. What the hell is this guy? Watch out the back entrance. The back entrance they can come from and kill us. No, Dasher got me. Oh, they got a level 91 and Diamond. And we got a level 66. And then we got a level 66. We got a level 66. That's up. We got a level 66 though. Oh. We are. Bro, he killed himself. Oh, what the goofy, bro. My battery died.